There have been some concessions there, but then the height, some people are talking about the height of the 4 stories looking out over the school. So what we need to do is come up with some key points to take...
Forest too.
Yes, Deeks Forest along Cotter Road, yeah. And they did widen that verge. They made some concessions, personally not enough for me, but and the equestrian community feel the same. I'm not a horse rider, but you know, I do agree, we're not all mountain bike enthusiasts. We just like to get, you know, amble along, walk babies in strollers, that kind of thing. It's about keeping a definite identity for Western Creek, and then Molonglo is Molonglo. We can't, at a small council, have too much of an effect on that. We can put submissions in, we can, along with other councils and other Canberrans, put submissions in, but we're really trying to keep this particular to Northwestern and that Deeks Drive area to maintain our quality of life. We can't hope to achieve, you know, a wonderful outcome in Molonglo, but we need to keep our submission really to that now. We've made some headroad. So what we need to do now is just address with Chris Wilson, our secretary, has made some pages of notes this evening, and they'll be available for people to look at, of course. We keep our minutes, and we've got a meeting on the 25th of June. What we want to do is people to come forward and assist us in this final part of the campaign, put those petitions in. They are worth putting in. We can call the Chief Minister on Friday morning on Radio 666. There's a talkback program then. I think it starts about 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. Things like this, and letters to the editor, just old-fashioned things, because people do read the Canberra Times still. Just little things like this. Kirsten?
Talking about letters to the Canberra Times, I don't know if anyone wants to contact Rosalind Beebe. She writes on environmental stuff.
Rosalind Beebe at the Canberra Times?
Yeah.
Okay.
She might be someone, because there were so many environmental issues, as in, does Canberra need more people and all the environmental things, so somebody might want to contact her. What's your name?
Now,
Yeah, as long as you're there.
I am very conscious of the time, and it's actually 11:15, so before you go, sir, before anybody goes, I would remind you that the Western Community Council, you are obviously the hardcore interested people. We are always, give yourselves a round of applause, please. We are looking for volunteers to join the committee. Most of our meetings do not go this long. Tim and I both have young children. We have other responsibilities. We want to have a life. Please come and help us out. There will be an annual general meeting in August. Tim tells us we're going to be looking for a new chair. There's a good chance that you're going to be looking for we're going to be looking for a number of other executive positions as well. I'm not sure what I'll be doing, but we need people to be involved. Some of the people who are there at the moment have given their 2 years. And we don't want to see this WCCC fold. Okay, so please, this is a call for people to get involved and be on the committee. It's not that hard. There's a committee meeting once a month, and then committee members are sort of expected to turn up to general meetings as well. So it's two meetings a month. It's actually not that bad. I've found out that you get to hold a loud hailer, so that's been my highlight. So please consider it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.